guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is Jigyasa, and I hope you all are doing good. So friends, let me give you a quick introduction again. This is my YouTube channel and I will be bringing all kinds of informative videos which are going to be useful for you in every way. Today I'm going to talk about the 5 basic things from which we can lead our life as a happy life. The very first thing I'm going to talk about is that do not compare yourself with anybody. Friends, comparing yourself with anybody just will make you lose your personality. Guys, everybody is having their lifestyle, everybody is having their own riches, but then when we see them, we just think that we are less than them. Sometimes it happens with everybody that we want to reach to their zone, we want to reach to their place. We sometimes say like this that I want to be like him or I want to be like her. Friends, taking inspiration from some personality and then comparing yourself with them is totally different. So what we have to do, we do not have to do comparison with them. Sometimes it happens that in our friend circle somebody who is more rich than us or somebody who is having more gadgets than us, so we just think that we are having less than them. We also want to buy this because we do not want to lose our status in society or between our friends. So we just run to our parents and we say, our friend is having that, I also want to buy this, you make me buy this. It's a human feeling and it's a human emotion that we feel sometimes that we have less, compared to the riches of other people. Just look to the person who is not having what you are having, and you will be feeling blessed and you will be feeling thankful. The second thing I'm going to talk about is how to be thankful. It's okay to just wishing about things, okay? It's okay to just desire about things, but it's not okay to not be thankful for the things you are having right now. This thought, it just filled me with so much energy because I also desire a lots of things. I desire a good career, I desire a lots of things for myself, and when I don't get them easily, or whenever when we do not get the thing which we are desiring easily, we get hurted. It's a human tendency. If you are getting hurted, it's totally okay, but then feel sad for the moment, but then on the second hand, just be thankful. Trust me, be thankful that God, I'm thankful for whatever you have given me right now. At least I'm having food, at least I'm having roof over my head, at least I'm having clothes to wear. So it will change a whole criteria of that situation, of that current situation, okay? Then ask for more, but it's very important to be thankful. What is going to be accept your personality? I want to say is, कई बार ऐसे सिचुएशंस हमारी लाइफ में आती है जब हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग बनना पड़ता है, बट देन सम पीपल आर स्ट्रॉन्ग and some people are not strong. Like me, I'm not strong, ठीक है? You don't need to bear everything which is making you hurt, which is making you uncomfortable, and then still you are being strong because you have to be strong for the society. Because ये मेरे सामने के examples हैं, people, they are being strong because their family will judge them और their society will judge them. अगर वो ये चीज़ नहीं करेंगे या उन्होंने easily छोड़ दिया या अपना गोल अचीव नहीं किया जो कि सोसाइटी चाहती है, वो नहीं चाहते हैं, बिकॉज इसलिए वो स्ट्रॉन्ग बन रहे हैं, जबकि उनका पर्सनैलिटी टाइप ये नहीं है. डू नॉट डू दैट. इट्स टफ टू से नो टू द सोसाइटी, बट देन इट्स ओके. आपसे जो चीज़ नहीं हो रही है उसके पीछे मत पड़ो. नहीं हो रही है तो नहीं हो रही है, एंड जनरली आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट हेयर ऑन boys generally quote, we cannot cry because we are boys. Why? Are you not a human? आप लोग इंसान नहीं हो. Why can't you cry? If you are feeling like cry, whether he is a boy or she is a girl, cry. It's a human tendency. Whatever you are feeling, whatever your personality is, if you are feeling, people doesn't cry because they think लोग क्या सोचेंगे. अरे क्या सोचेंगे यार, तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम है, रोना तुम्हें आ रहा है, तुम रो ना. I cry very easily. I'm not saying कि सब लोग रोने लग जाओ, but then I'm talking about the personality types. आपका जो भी personality type है, आप उसको accept करो. ज़बरदस्ती strong बनने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर नहीं होता है, नहीं बनो. आपकी कैपेसिटी आपको खुद सिखाएगी कि आपको कब और कैसे स्ट्रॉन्ग बनना है. लेकिन ज़बरदस्ती किसी के कहने पे अगर आप स्ट्रॉन्ग बनोगे, then you will be never able to be strong, और आप शायद अपना गोल अचीव भी नहीं कर पाओगे. आई डोंट नो माई sentences or my discussion is making sense or not, but I am just revealing what I think in my heart, and the point is that love yourself. And indeed I think that this generation is being good in this point, because people and our generation, they have started accepting their self. Love yourself. आप जैसे हो, आप अपने आप को प्यार करो. एंड जब आप अपने आप को प्यार करोगे ना, इट्स नॉट अ क्लीशे, इट्स नॉट अ लाइन, इट्स अ फैक्ट एंड इट्स अ प्रूवन ट्रूथ. जब आप अपने आप को खुद को प्यार करना स्टार्ट कर देते हो ना, आपके आसपास वाले लोग जो होते हैं ना, वो आपको एक्सेप्ट कर देते हैं. आपको बिल्कुल भी अपनी पर्सनैलिटी को किसी और के लिए चेंज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जब आप खुद फील करो कि ये चेंज मेरे लिए ज़रूरी है, दिस इज़ द चेंज आई नीड, ये चीज़ मुझे अपने शायद बॉडी में चेंज करनी है, ये चीज़ मुझे अपने अपने लिए चेंज करनी है, कोई भी चीज़ हो सकती है वो, डू इट फॉर योर सेल्फ. क्योंकि अगर आप किसी और के लिए करोगे, मे बी हो सकता है आप ऐसी कोई टेक्निक ट्राई कर लो, ऐसा कुछ ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स ट्राई कर लो क्योंकि आपको किसी और को खुश करना है. आप मे बी एनीबडी, अपने कजन्स को, सोसाइटी, किसी को भी खुश करना है, आप वो चीज़ कर रहे हो क्योंकि आपको शेम फील होती है. This is not going to give you an solution. And the last point is going to be make a small group of friends. Why we make friends? We make friends so that we can share our heart. It doesn't matter how many friends you are having. It matters that you are having one friend and he is every time there for you. It's very hard to get people like this, but still we have one or two people whom we can trust blindly, and we should be enough of them. What I mean to talk is, clutter is not required in your life. Unnecessarily clutter is not required. Friends, just remove your clutter. Okay, the people who doesn't really playing a crucial role in your life, and they are just doing time pass or wasting your time, just remove those kind of people. They eat our energy on the useless topics, on the useless talks. Friends, analyze your time, use your time, and then life will be beautiful. You can have two friends, it's enough. You can have two friends and who are very useful for you. I am not saying that काम निकालने के लिए हर किसी को दोस्त बनाओ, नहीं, बट देन जब हमें ज़रूरत पड़े तो हमारे साथ कोई एक ऐसा होना चाहिए जिसे हम दोस्त कह सकें. तो उन लोगों को एलिमिनेट कर दो, जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपकी एनर्जी खाते हैं, ठीक है, और आपकी लाइफ में सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपका टाइम कट आउट कर रखे. द लेस पीपल यू आर हैविंग इन योर लाइफ, the more comfortable, the more peaceful life you will be leading. Okay, quantity doesn't matter, quality matters. This was it for the video. I hope you might be understanding my points. Okay, I revealed whatever I was having in my heart. Okay, so please comment, and please if you find anything wrong, or if I quoted anything wrong, just tell me. I'll be rectifying that error. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will be bringing more kinds of informative videos. Take care.